The humble crock pot. It's not just for cooking slow cooked family meals ahead of time. That's why we love having Coast Country's April Brilliant here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. We've dubbed you Coast Country's crock pot queen.
Yes, that is my thing.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
You always have easy recipes. What are we making today?
This is super, super easy. This is a buffalo chicken. It's 4 ingredients. You can put it in the morning, and then by the time you come home, it's going to be tender and delicious. And my husband loves this one. He requests it all the time.
Oh, yeah.
So we're just going to basically put it in the morning, again, all day long. It's good for, you can make sandwiches with it, you can throw it on salads, you can do it in a wrap, or you can just like eat it on your plate. And 9 times out of 10, that's what we do. Maybe add a little coleslaw with it to kind of set off the heat.
So the crock pot is here?
It's here, and we are ready. So we're going to start with some frozen chicken. You
Oh,
want to do the honors?
You
can do it with frozen chicken. That's the best part.
Yeah.
It's a little more. It's about 2.5 pounds of frozen chicken.
Okay.
You're going to put that in the bottom. You don't have to put anything else on the bottom. Just the chicken.
Just put the chicken in.
Yep.
There you go.
Chicken's in.
And then we're going to take the ranch seasoning, which is something you should keep in your kitchen all the time.
Yes,
I think. You know, if you don't have the packets, it's really just 1 packet of ranch seasoning, or if you have the container, just maybe about 1/8 of it.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
And
So just kind of spread it on top here.
That's all.
I'm not
you
going
have
to make
to
Jimmy do all the work here. All right.
It's not too much work.
No,
it's not too bad. We're going to skip that for 1 second.
Okay.
We're going to go to the sauce. And we're just going to drizzle the sauce all over it.
Is this wing sauce?
This is wing sauce, yes. I like to use the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce, just because it's really good.
Yeah.
But this equally is good.
You're going to like this, Jimmy.
It smells, yes, very nice.
This is just grocery store sauce.
Yeah.
It smells really good.
Open your sinuses.
Yeah. It definitely will. It definitely will open your sinuses. So it serves 2 purposes. Your tummy and your sinuses. And this is what kind of breaks the bite to it, is the butter. 1 big giant stick of butter on top.
Just pop it in. I don't need to cut it up.
You don't need to cut it up.
With it.
Just right on top.
Because
Look
it's
at
going to
that.
have all day to melt.
Okay, now can we get anything easier than that?
I don't think so.
No.
Well, we do have to put the lid on, right?
We do have to put the lid on.
And turn it on.
And you're going to turn it on low, and you're going to cook it for like 6 to 8 hours. If you need to speed it up a little bit, you can do 4 hours on high.
Okay.
And really, that's it.
And voila.
Voila.
And we have a finished one
We
here.
do have a finished one, so we're going to bring
we
that
can't,
over.
We're not going to make you wait 8 hours.
Yeah, we're not going to make you wait that long.
Yeah. So
Today, though, I have to be careful when I put this in the kitchen because everything gets eaten in our Draper Media kitchen.
yeah.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
And I want to make sure they know that the chicken has to be cooked,
that would be
all the way
bad.
first.
That would be bad.
Move
This is
over
great,
here.
but it's kind of tough.
Yeah.
Oh my.
And there we go.
And there we go.
Look at that.
So we're going to, I do have some pretty plates behind you guys.
There you go.
Thank you.
You want to grab those.
Dude,
And when you're cooking this, if you just, throughout the time that you're there, just kind of open up the lid and take a fork and kind of break it apart.
sure. But that would be good on a sandwich.
Yeah.
So while you're serving that up, what's going on with Coast Country these days?
Gosh, hey, you know what? My old request lunch is going really well. I think
Yeah?
I told you about that last time. Do you want a plate as well?
You know what? I'm
You're going to share with Lisa?
hers.
Okay. It's going really well because we now have a feature where you can call in at 443-971-1063, but you can also use that to text.
Oh.
And I'm having so much fun with that because we all love to text these days.
Sure, yeah.
It's quicker, it's easier. If you're at work, it's definitely more convenient. So you can text me and I will get your request on. Do you like it?
I'm in love with it.
I
Got
know.
it, didn't you? You got it.
I started worrying when I saw his face. I'm like, this is going to be really hot. And it is.
This is
Is
good.
it a little spicy?
Super hot.
But but I've made it before without the butter, and then that really does have a kick to it. So I recommend putting the butter in.
I didn't know that. I didn't know you could cut the sharpness with butter.
You can, and you can also add more of that ranch seasoning too if you want to kind of like. Some people like to use the regular ranch out of the bottle, but I like the seasoning sound better.
That's very, very
So that's all you have to do.
good.
So
A
you're
little
very
bit of
welcome.
celery. Oh, that would be really good.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yep.
April, as always, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank
And,
you.
Looking forward to the
you.
next time that the Coast Country Crock Pot Queen comes in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. Right, Jimmy?
That's right.